This is an appeal against the judgment and order dated 15/5/2006 passed by the learned special judge CBI Assam Guwahati in special case number 27/2004 convicting and sentencing the accused appellant under sections 120 (b/420) IPC to rigorous imprisonment for 1.5 years and to pay a fine of ₹2,000. In default, further rigorous imprisonment for 3 months for offence under section 120 (b) IPC, and also rigorous imprisonment for 1.5 years with a fine of ₹2,000 in default. Rigorous imprisonment for 3 months for offence under section 420 IPC. Heard Mr. K. Agarwal, learned senior counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. S.C. Kayal, learned standing counsel for CBI. I have also perused the record of the learned trial court including the evidences. The fact leading to the case is that on 30/11/1979 SP SBI Shillong received an information that Sri S.K. Biswas, the then Director Agriculture Government of Mizoram, entered into a conspiracy with the proprietors of Messrs. Joram Supply Agency and Messrs. J.K. Press, Sri J. Kapthainga, and as well one Sri S.N. Agarwal and Sri M.N. Misra. The conspiracy was made to cheat various persons and authorities including SAIL at Guwahati and the government of Mizoram. In pursuant to such conspiracy, they purchased 600 MT of various building materials, including GI sheets from SAIL, which were purportedly purchased for construction of government quarters in Mizoram, although those were never brought to Mizoram and disposed of at Guwahati at a very high price. On the basis of such allegations, CBI registered a case vide case number RC 23(A/79 SHG, investigated into it, collected evidence, and after obtaining sanctions from the competent authority against the public servant, submitted a charge under sections 120 (b/420) IPC, read with sections 5(2)/5(1) (d) of the Protection of Corruption Act against the present accused appellant and others. The case as emerges from the totality of the fact is that Sri S.C. Biswas was serving as Director, Agriculture Department, Government of Mizoram, and during his tenure as a Director, one P. Gupta, who was the junior engineer, was functioning as Subdivisional Engineer. Sri J. Kapthainga, J. Jakhuma, and Lavana were the brothers and partners of Messrs. Joram Supply Agency and Messrs. J.K. Press. Upper Bazar, Aizal, one Sri S.N. Agarwal was associated with the transport business and was the owner of the Messrs. Inland Transport Organization. Sri Om Prakash Jain was the proprietor of the Messrs. Kashiram Jain and Company, while Sri M.N. Misra, one of the employees of the said firm. After exhausting all the required formalities, the trial court of Special Judge CBI Assam framed a formal charge against the present accused appellant under sections 120 (b/420) IPC. It deserves a mention here that the present appellant is not a public servant.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.